it's Mary and welcome back to With Love Designs. Today we'll be making a nugget holder for craft fairs, for gifts, for teachers, co-workers, anybody that you want to give a little cute gift to during the season. And so here, you don't have to have it for Christmas. You could definitely use it for other holidays, but here's what we're going to eventually make. And the beauty of it is just one 6x6 piece of paper. And that includes the nugget wrappers. And we're just going to trim it down to 2 inch. So we're going to cut 2 inch. And these will actually be for your nugget wraps. So from that 2 inch, cut it again at 1. And then flip it on the side, rotate it, and then cut it at 3. So that's 2 nugget holders. We're going to take the other piece here, and we're going to cut it again at 3. So that's 4, okay? So we're going to put this to the side for now. We're going to bring our scoreboard in, and on this one, the 4x6 is what we have left over. So this is actually the box that we'll be making. Let's score all the way around. So all the way around, we're going to score it 5/8. Rotate it, 5/8. Rotate 5/8. Rotate 5/8. Okay, and now that we're back at the 6 inch side, we're going to score at 2 5/8 and 3 1/4. Okay, so I'm going to flip it over so you guys can see the score lines, and that's Alright, so you guys saw exactly what I made. And we made a cute little box that holds 4 little nuggets. I think they're adorable, and I love that you can, all you need is 1 6x6 piece of paper, and it covers the chocolate and creates the box. The one that you do need that's extra and spare is actually the belly band, just like the one I made here. You do need this belly band, and just so it closes and it's more secure. So let's create one. So you're going to need, for the belly band, you're going to need 6 by 3 1/4. And so I just will wrap it like this, and then just pinch on the ends, just so that I know they're good. And then we're going to put glue at the bottom and hold on to it for a little bit, maybe 10 seconds, right? My 10-second rule seems. But as I'm doing that, I want to also make sure it slides in and out, no problem. Just because you don't want to have it all glued down and then it not go in and out, not move, or have any wiggle room for you to move in and out. So it is good. As you can see, smooth, no problem there on this side at least. Let's try the other side again. Oh, much better. So as your glue is drying, you can adjust so that you can tell, you know, that the belly band fits just right. So you're going to need a cardstock and a 2-inch punch. And so I'm just punching a circle through just so I can put it on top of the belly band like this. And with that, I also cut out some poinsettias. And this die set is from KS Craft. It's these 3 here. You do get 3 of them. I did the largest one, but basically we're gonna, you know, put them together to make one pretty poinsettia. The only thing about this die though is it doesn't separate this part here. So when you're cutting it, you kind of have to just take a little portion, cut that out by itself. Or you can cut again in green or whatever color, and it'll work that way as well. So let's build this poinsettia. You get 4 pieces, but let's just basically glue it. Outer glue, and then we'll build, right? We'll build these little guys, offset them as much as you can, and then the last one. Oops. And the last one. So you've got that cute little poinsettia, and then so you'll put it on top there. But since I did have the red cut with this, I said why not use it, right? The more the merrier, I guess. So I do want you know, color contrast, so we're gonna put red glue on the center for this, and then just kind of offset these two, just, you know, for more just looks better if it's offset. Looks like fireworks, right? Pretty. Okay, anyways, back to my poinsettia that I created. We're gonna put glue here at the bottom and glue again. We're going to hold it there for a little bit, and then we're going to pull in our this is from Michael's. And we're going to put a white, I want white. Put that there. And put a big bead in the middle. let that sit. But basically it looks like that. Pretty, huh? Alright, so then we're going to put it on the circle here. Lay it on top. Giving me troubles today. And we're going to bring it in. I'm just going to let you like that. Oop. It's not done yet. Alright, so now we're just going to fluff it up. Right? You want to give it some dimension. It's really easy. Just literally fluff it up. Fluff it up. It is. It looks very delicate, and it is. Paper's pretty thin, but not pretty. Pretty cool, huh? All right. So let's glue it in the middle. Make sure it's centered. And now, yeah, this really cute, right? Isn't that pretty? So, all the way around, and then we'll take you out this way. And there's our candy. And then put it back in. So this is great, again, for teachers, church too, right? Church members, just a cute little gift. What I like about it is it's hidden, so it's kind of like a surprise. You don't know what's in this cute little box. Unlike the ones that are see-through, you can get, I think, like 5 or 6 of them in a cellophane bag. This one's like, oh, what is that? So I like the surprise of it, and of course, just the way you can decorate it and make it look really cute. But right, 6x6 sheet of paper can do a box and wrap 4 nuggets. And so here's the one that we made together. Here's some that I've already made. So these stockings are old school Stampin' Up. It came with punches and no longer in circulation, but I'm sure you can get a hold of one if you went through eBay or something like that. So that's that. I got this. More stockings. Christmas tree. Santa hat. Candy cane. Holly Jolly. More candy cane. Snowflake. This one I used from the paper pack and just put Merry Christmas. It's pretty flat, but I figured those would be for the men who don't like too much stuff like we do. Maybe, I don't know. I know my husband wouldn't care for it. They're all about what's inside. All right. And then the last one here is this cute little ornament. It's Stampin' Up! Ornament again. Retired, but just cute, right? All right. Thank you so much, everybody, for your time. I hope you enjoyed this project. And again, just like my other project that I released recently, you can make a ton of these really quick for craft fairs, for friends, family, anybody that you want to gift this cute little candy. They don't know it's candy. I mean, it's presented well. So Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it again, and hope to see you guys again in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.